Just to let you guys know, there will be a Kickstarter May 30th for Celestial Pulse Flooding Memories, issue number 9. What up guys, it's your girl Vest and I'm back with another speed art. It's been a while since I did one of these, but today we're going to be working on, I was working on the wallpaper that I'm going to be doing for this upcoming Kickstarter that is coming May 30th. The wallpaper is basically something that I've done for my patrons, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to fix it up because I don't know about you guys, but my art style changed a lot, especially with coloring, and it wasn't to my standards. So I was like, I need to edit this. I need this to look better, because if it doesn't look good, what's the point, right? So decided to go ahead and recolor this bad boy, especially with updating, you know, the color of the eyes, the color of the skin, just making it more vibrant and all that good stuff that I normally do with my pieces now versus what I used to do with my pieces before. And like with shading, I usually do back then one shade and then like add a soft brush, but this time my cell shading has gone to bigger and better things where I'm using, you know, 2 to 3 of those cell shading shades and adding, you know, hit it off with like a soft brush and then adding my highlights. So this is just me fixing it up. Usually guys, if you don't know where I'm at, I'm live on Twitch Monday through Fridays, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I usually try to get off at 4, but sometimes I go over because you know me, I love art. I be doing my thing. So that's what I've been doing. So yeah, this is gonna be one of many, I will say, with speed arts, especially with things that I do that is not commission wise, because commission wise I just usually do it on stream. I don't, you know, put it up on here, but anything that has to do with like Celestial Pulse or like original stuff, especially now that I'm playing D&D and I have my character Lishini, definitely want to be posting this up on YouTube and showing some love to the YouTube, because I have not been keeping up with that. I've been just posting my Twitch stuff. But yeah, for you guys who like are like, where the hell is Vess? We need her. I'm on Twitch, y'all, every day. The last couple of the beginning of this month I wasn't really, because I had surgery to get my appendix removed because I had appendicitis, but back and kicking after a gallbladder and an appendix remove. You could only imagine what I went through, but I'm back kicking, you know, started to work out, starting to like, you know, pay attention to my health a lot more, and just, you know, focus on my art and continue on with Celestial Pulse. This is actually this is coming back to Kickstarter, because I didn't do Kickstarter for issue 8 because we did so great. You know, everybody was pre-ordering, and then I went to conventions and stuff. But now with COVID, I'm like, wait a minute, we need to I need to bring back this Kickstarter for you guys, because a lot of you guys like to order through Kickstarter. So I got a lot of rewards. I got a lot of things going down. So definitely the links will be down below if you guys are interested. And I'm going to put it, it's going to go live, you know, May 30th. But you could be able to save it on Kickstarter with that preview link. And then not only that, just view it, and you can comment on, like, let's say if you're like, oh Vess, this looks cool, but like you did something here that maybe you should have did doing this, you know, you try that out, and you could write that in the comments area, and I could be able to see if what you said is right and work with it, you know. I like when other people's eyes is on things, because it helps me give you something that, you know, is catered to the people who love the lore of Celestial Pulse, you know. I'm the type of creator that likes to hear from my audience. So when I do that, you know, I feel more confident and just better about the situation. Posty twerking, guys. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the video and narrating at the same time, so forgive me if I like randomly start laughing at something random. Oh man, I haven't did this in a long time. Like, how are you guys? How y'all been? Y'all need to go in the comments and tell me how y'all been. I have missed y'all, for the ones who don't show up at the Twitch, and that's totally fine. Like, I get it. Some people like YouTube, some people like Twitch, some people like both, you know. But yeah, how have you guys been? Well, you have been missed, definitely. To tell you the truth, like, I used to stream first on YouTube, but after YouTube played me on the whole situation of trying to like block me from streaming, really a turnoff. So you know, I really enjoy Twitch because you guys get to do a lot more and it's more interactive, and you know, talking to you guys and seeing you guys in chat before I even get there, that's just, it's really cool. It's a blessing. Having a lot of fun with you guys over there. I'm going basically on a tangent because, you know, this is a long video. I spent 2 days trying to, you know, finish this piece, and mind you, it's only 2 days because I've been working on commissions on top of like working on my own stuff, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of the times I will be working on this and then I'm like, okay guys, I'm gonna finish this tomorrow, and then what ends up happening is in between time, because you know I don't finish working after I turn off my camera, I'm like, oh, I have an email from someone, and then somebody's like, yeah, Ves, I need you to do this for me, here's the money, and do it. And then I'm going ahead and I'm doing it, and then I'm like, okay, this has to get put on hold so I can, you know, make the money that helps feed me. You know, because Twitch and all that, like if I make money and donations from Twitch, I like to keep it with Twitch so that like I can update on cameras or anything, you know, just to make my streaming experience a lot better, especially for you guys. So that's why I do the things that I do. But yeah, it is a hell of a time down there. And just, you know, getting a lot more commissions than I normally ever got, especially on YouTube. Like YouTube, I never really got any, but some on DeviantArt. And then when I got off of DeviantArt and then I started, you know, becoming a streamer and stuff like that, that's when, you know, making art for other people came into play. And I can tell you I'm honestly grateful for it and had a lot of fun, you know, working with a lot of the people that commission me. They are beautiful minds, I'm telling you. These people are very, very much just creative. So I was all done with this, and this is how it used to look, and this is how it looks now. 100% better. I freaking love it. I hope that you guys love it because this is going to be the wallpaper for the Kickstarter. And for you guys who definitely support me on Ko-fi or Patreon, I'm just going to post it up on there for you guys. Just a reminder, I'm on Twitch, guys, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Fridays. So I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you later.